At sa ibang balita, hihilingin daw ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure sa Korte na ipakontempt sina late 1st District Representative Martin Romualdez at resigned Congressman Zaldico kung hindi sila sisipot sa imbitasyon nitong dumalo sa pagdinig na nakaschedule sa October 14. Si Harley Valbuena sa report.
Inimbitahan na ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure si former House Speaker Martin Romualdez hinggil sa maanomalyang flood control projects at insertions sa national budget.
The Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or the ICI, has issued an invitation to Congressman Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez and to appear before the Commission and testify, among others, on the national budget insertions and involvement in DPWH flood control projects from the time he became Speaker of the House.
Samantala, sabina naman ang ipinadala ng ICI kay resigned Congressman at former House Appropriations Committee Chairman Zaldico.
This is with regard to his personal knowledge from the time he joined the Committee on Appropriations of the National Budget Insertions and his involvement in DPWH flood control projects.
Ayon sa ICI, imbitasyon ang ipinadadala bilang paggalang sa isang nakaupong opisyal tulad ni Romualdez. Pero sabina naman ang inilalabas para sa mga hindi na incumbent tulad ng nagbitiw na si Ko. Itinakda ang pagdinig alas 10 na umaga sa araw ng Martes, October 14, sa opisina ng ICI sa Taguig City. Pero kung hindi sisipot ang dalawa, pwedeng humiling ang ICI sa korte na sila ay ipakontempt. Samantala, humiling na rin ang ICI sa Department of Justice na maglabas ng Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order laban kina Romualdez at Ko at iba pang idinawit sa flood control anomaly tulad ni na former Senate President Chis Escudero, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva at former Senators Nancy Binay at Bong Revilla. Kasama rin sina Congressman Roman Romulo, Congressman Marcy Teodoro, Congressman Arjo Ataide at iba pang kongresista. Gayun din si COA Commissioner Mario Lipana at asawang si Marilu Lipana, DepEd Undersecretary Trigiv Olaivar at ilang DPWH District Engineers. Sa ilalim ng ILBO, ang bawat biyahe ng mga nabanggit na personalidad ay maigpit na babantayan ng Bureau of Immigration.
The timely issuance of an ILBO is of utmost necessity to enable the Commission to proceed without delay and to hold those liable accountable to the Filipino people.
Sa kabila naman ng kaliwat ka ng mga panawagan ng transparency mula sa ilang religious groups at iba pang opisyal, nanindigan ng ICI na hindi pa rin isa sa publiko ang mga pagdinig bilang pag-iingat.
There will be no live streaming. We're trying to prevent the Commission from being weaponized by any individuals. No? We don't even know if the statements there are true or probably said to confuse the Commission and even the public.
Harley Valbuena para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.